Hello, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties, and I'm here to show you this new listing. Just came on the market. We're right off the Palos Verdes Golf Coast. We're in the Crest neighborhood, and I grew up right down the street. So if you got questions about the area, happy to help you. Check it out. First thing, 3-car garage, nice street, and huge view coming out. So this is a great spot. Little patio here, all eco-friendly because low water for California. And wow, you can just already tell you walking in, and this is beautiful. Wow, it's a big single level and right out over the golf course. This is really nice. Very elegant the way it walks right out. Shazam, nice pool. No one's playing golf today. A few people over here. Huge patio, barbecue setup over yonder. Really nice. Wow, look at how elegant. High ceilings, skim ceilings. Recessed lighting. It's very elegant. Dining over here, I like that. And then all of the living stuff pushing out towards the view. It's amazing. Hi, here's our listing agent. This is great. I love a bar top and you can hang out in the kitchen.
For sure.
And nice fixtures and stuff here. Yeah, tongue and groove, maple line. Look at that cool slider. That is really nice. Fun backdrop and really pretty granite countertops. So a lot of room here, your double oven, so forth. Looks really good. Yeah, I like how this is. All open, you're hanging out, you're doing the TV, the football game, all at the same time. A lot of closets here, pantry, a huge work area here for laundry, and a half bath. Direct access to your garage. 1, 2, 3. Water heater. So this must be pantry. Yeah. Pantry. And another one. A lot of nice storage here. That's great. So this is a really cool room. And it goes to all the doors, open straight out to the barbecue and so forth. It's super nice. Now, I had said single story, but it's not single story. There are stairs. I just like how it moved right out to the yard from the bottom story. Wow, look at the detail in this. Nice oak, maple flooring, which is a really nice hardwood and light color. It's pretty. This is a big room. This might be the master. Wow. Fun. Wow. And closet. Pretty nice. Doors that go right up and out. And another little room. Yeah. So this could be an office or maybe a baby's room. Wow, this place is big. One room there, the master. And then 3 back here. Jeez Louise. And then still something upstairs. Big place. The blue room. Yeah, nice big closet. I like it. Flooring through here looks like limestone. I like limestone. Maple treads, super nice. And this is like just a loft. Game room. Fun stuff. Some more view. Very nice. It's really cool. Skylight again for natural light. Yeah, I love this floor. It's gorgeous. Yeah, the way this walks right out is really awesome. Well, this is a pretty neat property. It's big. There's a lot to offer here, a lot to talk about. If you're looking for a home and have some questions, I grew up just down the way here, and happy to share with you what I know. It's been a great career in real estate and I love it. So, super neat spot. Make it a great day.